Hey guys, Super Luigi Boy. Where is it? Cause this looks different than his normal setup. Well, that's because I got Bandicam. That's right, guys, Bandicam. So you can expect better quality images and content. So enjoy. Oh, this level should be fun. Oh god. Oh jeez. Oh, that failed. That failed so very bad. Dang it. I keep forgetting that this thing is right there. Dang it, I missed it. I was so close, too. Oh, yes. Don't break your arms or I will be mad. Oh, don't kick it, don't kick it, don't kick it. That's... What is the point? Ah! You piece of poopy. Alright, that failed. Let's try it again. Woohoo! Don't break your arms, please. Dang it! This is really annoying. I have to finish it. It's not that hard. Shoot. I'm gonna swing backwards. And swing forward. You missed it by a hair. Anyway, I'm just rambling on and on about... you know what? Forget this level. We're gonna go find a better level. We're gonna do better rope swing. A better rope swing, not spling. Oh, crap. I missed it. I wasn't paying attention, and I missed it. Oh, these are the better ones. I love these. Into the cannon we go! Where'd I go? Oh. There I went! Oh, my leg! Why would you do that to my leg? And fail at the same time? Dang it. My feet! That hurt. Oh, don't break my hand. Oh, my arms! I'm gonna kinda need those. Crap. Well, shoot. Oh, this is gonna be a very good level. It's a bottle run! Who doesn't love a good bottle run? I am pro at this. Bottle run pro. Oh, come on! Yay! That was awesome. Pogo jump! Yeah, it's a pogo jump. Who doesn't love a good pogo jump?
Damn it!
Well, that was nice, clear, and crisp. For that...
No!
Whoa! I hate you. Die. Hey, that wasn't the sound he makes. Oh, come on. I broke your arm, old man. What you gonna do about it? Ooh, I kind of broke you, old man. What? Oh, I was balancing on his head for a minute there. That was cool. And now I'm stuck in this pile of old man. Go! Ah, crap. Oh, did I just crunch his head with my back? What was that? I just got off my pogo stick. Get back on your pogo stick. Oh my god. Okay, we're done. We're done now. Get out of my way. Okay. Boss ahead. I don't need no control. Get out of my way. Oh, that was sick! I killed him and I knocked him off. But I did so, and he busted his head. His head exploded. Like a maniac. Boss! Like a maniac. Boss! That was awesome. Alright. This one looks very easy, except that it's not gonna be easy. Alright. I'm gonna touch it with my butt, see what happens. Ah, forget it. Oh, my back! My back. Mommy, my back hurts. Oh my gosh! Face Force! Oh, that must hurt. Doing that, it must really hurt. Oh god! It does come. Ah, I agree with you. Oh, you're gonna blow me to the... Oh, come on. Oh, I missed it. Crap. Alright, this is the one that is gonna make us win. Oh, come on. God. Oh! Super jump! I super jumped too far. Okay. Alright. Oh, perfect! Oh, I didn't see the spikes. I'm gonna pick a different thing. Oh, Pogo Jump Hard. Let's try this one. This one looks easy. This one's not hard. This one's not hard. What are you talking about? Well, it's hard when my guy flips like 2 seconds. It takes him like 5 million years to flip. Go. Thank you. Alright. Oh! My butt. My butt. My butt. This guy moans so much it hurts. Oh, don't. I wouldn't stay there if I were you, buddy. Ugh. My frame rate is crap. Yes. Yay, we did it. Ball throw, ball throw. I love ball throws. Nothing. 3 balls. Oh, I'm not dead. Oh, I'm dead now. Oops. Nothing. 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 That was a whole lot of nothing. Let's try it one more time. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Batter up. Oh, crap. Oh, was that... Ah, was that necessary? Was that necessary? Come on, balls. Come to Papa. 2 balls. Oh my gosh. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, come on. Crap. That could have gotten me somewhere. Last time. For sure this time. I just want to beat this level. A bull. Oh. What? That was bull. That was bull. Do you need a little bit of help there? You're kind of twitching around when you really shouldn't be. Okay, I think this is going to be the last level I do. Oh god, it's glitching out. Hold on, let me just let it sit here for a second. And contemplate himself. Oh, you poor guy. Alright, I think I'm bored. I didn't even do anything and the ninja guy fell off. Eh! No blood? Me want blood. Shut up, old man.
Oh, my leg!
No one cares about your old leg. No one cares about your leg, old man.
Save me!
No, I'm not saving you. I'm the one who killed you.
Oh, my leg!
I want to know what's down there.
Me. Ah! Gah! Oh, my leg!
It can't be a party until someone dies. Eh.
Oh, my leg!
You all sound like you're having a jolly old time.
Gah! Ah!
Alright, that's enough of this. Hey, look, he's back and he's alive now! Yay! Anyway, guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. If you like this, and you want to see more great quality like this, now that I have Bandicam, hit the like button. It really helps. If you didn't like it, suck it. And if you want to see more great stuff like this now, hit the subscribe button. It really helps. And this guy has a unibrow right there. But anyway, like I said, I'll be doing more of Happy Wheels, Agario, and Hot Wheels Beat That. So look for them. Until the next video, peace, guys. Bye!